The BELVA BPKG210v2 1000W Subwoofer Kit is an all-in-one solution for enhancing your car audio experience, complete with dual 10-inch subwoofers, a powerful amplifier, a ported enclosure, and a comprehensive wiring kit. With each subwoofer delivering up to 500 watts of peak power, the durable polypropylene cones and rubber surrounds ensure reliable performance and impressive bass output. The included monoblock amplifier offers 500 watts at 2 ohms with adjustable gain control and a bass boost feature, allowing you to customize your sound to perfection. The package's rugged ported subwoofer enclosure is made from 3/4-inch MDF with precise construction for optimal performance, ensuring a secure and easy connection with its spring-loaded push terminals. The comprehensive 8-gauge amplifier installation kit simplifies the setup process with high-quality components designed for systems up to 600 watts RMS. Overall, the BELVA BPKG210v2 kit provides a powerful and convenient way to significantly upgrade the bass in your vehicle's audio system.